Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to solve Shopify plain reject. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log in into your Shopify account and then go to the Shopify admin page. After that, click on the settings button and now click on the plan button. After clicking the plan button, under plan details, now you have to click on change plan button. Now select any plan accordingly, whatever suits you. So that's how you will solve Shopify plan reject. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.